Law enforcement agencies will serve as COMELEC deputies to ensure peaceful, orderly, honest, and credible elections in May this year. President Aquino ordered their deputation in response to a request for his concurrence by the poll body. The chief executive directed the law enforcement agencies and other concerned agencies to coordinate and cooperate with the COMELEC in the performance of their duties and functions. Meanwhile, the president presided over the turnover of command of the Philippine Army. More on this from Rocky Ignacio.
President Aquino has ordered the deputation of law enforcement and other government-concerned agencies, including the Armed Forces of the Philippines, to ensure the conduct of peaceful, fair, and credible elections this May. The directive was issued under the Memorandum Order 52 signed by Executive Secretary Paquito Ochoa Jr. Resolution number 9589 of the Commission on Elections had resolved to request the Office of the President in designating the law enforcement agencies and other instrumentalities of the government for the conduct of the May elections. The Memorandum Order 52 will take effect immediately. The President, during the Philippine Army Command ceremony at Fort Bonifacio, has ordered the AFP to perform their duties to secure public safety during elections.
Ang pagharap ng sambayanan sa panibagong sangandaan sa halalan sa Mayo ay udyat din ng panibagong hamon para sa ating kasunduluhan. Habang kaliwat kanan ang pagbuhos ng mga patalastas at ang paminsan-minsan pagtatagisang dila ng mga kandidatong nangangampanya, tungkulin ng ating mga pulis at sundalong mapanatili ang kapanatagan sa ating taumbayan. Ibig sabihin, mula sa pagkilati sila sa mga kandidato hanggang sa pumasok sila sa mga presinto at pumili sa mga balota, kailangan seguridad at hindi sindak.
President Aquino presided the change of command for Lieutenant General Noel Coballas as the 55th Commanding General, replacing Lieutenant General Emmanuel Bautista, who was appointed as the new AFP Chief of Staff. The President hopes that Coballas will continue the reforms initiated by Bautista in the Army. President Aquino also commended Lieutenant General Bautista's effort to support the implementation of the Internal Peace and Security Plan to attain justice, peace, and development.
Muli na naman tinatawag ng panahon ang mula sa isang bansang atrasado at hindi makaahon-ahon, ipamana natin sa susunod na henerasyon ang isang Pilipinas na sabay-sabay sumasagwan at kapit-bisig na tumatanaw sa mga tagumpay na maaari pa natin makamit sa tuwid na daan.
The President, as the AFP Commander-in-Chief, reassured the effective and immediate implementation of the AFP modernization and other benefits for the soldiers.
Kung dati panay kinakalawang at dekatig na bangka ang salbabida ng Navy laban sa kapahamakan, ngayon meron na silang Hamilton-class cutter at may paparating pang isa. Kung dati literal na hangin lang ang inaasahan ng Air Force, ngayon nagsisilip lapagan na ang mga bagong sasakyang pangipapawid. Kung dati mga antigo at pupugak-pugak na truck ang sasakyan ng Army, ngayon ay meron na kayong mabilis at mas makabagong mga truck at ambulansya, isama pa ang mas dekalibring armas.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.